purple bee goes in the purple beehive. The red bee goes in the red beehive. The blue bee goes in the blue beehive. The green bee goes in the green beehive. The yellow bee goes in the yellow beehive. Now let's put the odd bods in the beehives. The blue odd bod goes in the blue beehive. The purple odd bod goes in the purple beehive. The orange odd bod goes in the orange beehive. The red odd bod goes in the red beehive. The yellow odd bod goes in the yellow beehive. The green odd bod goes in the green beehive. Green color, where are you? Green. Here I am, how do you do? Orange color, where are you? Orange. Here I am, how do you do? Red color, where are you? Red. Here I am, how do you do? Blue color, where are you? Blue. Here I am, how do you do? Yellow color, where are you? Yellow. Here I am, how do you do? Green. Orange. Red. Blue. Yellow. Green. Orange. Red. Blue. Yellow. Give us a like and share with all of your friends. Click the subscribe button.